Today I wanted to flash back to some of my favorite fall DIYs from last year. This sign turned out so cute. I used these pumpkin cutouts from Dollar Tree and a blank sign from the clearance section at Michael's. Okay, this sign was also a cutout I found at Dollar Tree, and I was testing out this ebony wood stain that I found on clearance at Walmart. I don't wander around the store too much anymore now that, my kids can talk and ask for everything they see, so it doesn't really make things fun. But you sure can find some really cool stuff in those clearance sections. Yeah, I really like this one. Ooh, so this pumpkin wreath turned out so cute. So I didn't actually have a plan when I started this one. In fact, in the original video, I showed you that I first had the thought to tie strips of fabric and ribbon and make some sort of rag pumpkin. And then this idea came to mind, and honestly, I just really didn't want to cut a bunch of pieces of fabric at that time. But I loved how this turned out. But I am curious if I'm the only one who wishes these pumpkin wreath forms could be a little less bulky. I almost didn't know whether to prop it up on a shelf or hang it on the wall. I ended up propping it up on a shelf, and that made me happy. I loved it, but I'm just curious if I'm the only one. Oh, this one was fun. So I kept seeing these fall bucket list decorations and I just wanted one of my own. Tell me if you can spot the typo on my design. I didn't notice it until after I posted the video, by the way. And it's fixed now, and the decal is up for sale on my Etsy shop. The link is in the description below. Okay, so this one describes me to a T during fall. I love pumpkins so much, and now my kids do too, so I'm happy. My kids and I are actually growing our own pumpkin patch this year, and we have 5 huge pumpkins, and I am really, really excited about that. I'm also just excited I didn't kill them. It was touch and go for a little bit. Oh man, this sign was really neat, and I love that I was able to use a splash guard as part of the decoration. I just loved all the different elements I used, and it was just a really fun project to do. Okay, this sign was made using a Dollar Tree napkin holder and a wood cutout from Dollar Tree. I also really loved incorporating this blue color into my decor last year. I think it was called Antique Blue by Folk Art. I don't know, it's just really lovely color. If you want to see a full video for any one of these DIYs or a list of the supplies used for any of the DIYs, there is a fall playlist that I will link at the end of this video as well as down in the description box. This one is still one of my favorites. It's really simple, but I absolutely love it. It was also probably one of the quickest DIYs I've ever done. Oh yes, this project turned out so great. I made this for my mama for her birthday. Hi mama! I always wanted to make a garden hose wreath and I'm so glad that I attempted it because it was so fun and satisfying to create. And numero uno are these coasters that I made last year. I cannot wait to put these out on my table this year. They are so beautiful. I made these using a new supply called water slide decals. They're by Hippo, and it was so fun and easy to work with. The pictures looked so clear and crisp. I'm really excited to put these out on display this year. And there you have it, my flashback of my 2021 fall decor. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and thanks for giving me a moment of your day. Bye!